Busisiwe Mkhwebane is once again at the center of a major legal and political battle, this time over whether she should remain on South Africa's role of advocates. The former public protector says the latest move against her is not about professional conduct, but part of what she calls a politically motivated campaign that has continued since her time in office. The Legal Practice Council has approached the Gauteng High Court seeking an order to have Mkhwebane struck from the role of advocates. The application reportedly relays on findings made during the Section 194 parliamentary impeachment inquiry that led to her removal as public protector. The council's case includes multiple allegations, including dishonest, incompetence, and bias. Mkhwebane strongly rejects those claims. In an interview with Newsroom Africa, she argued that the process was fundamentally unfair because it was completed while she and her legal team were absent. She also questioned why the Legal Practice Council relied on parliamentary findings instead of first conducting its own disciplinary inquiry, saying she was denied an opportunity to fully present her case. Another key part of her argument is that she was not practicing as an advocate during the period in question. She said she served in public administration after being admitted as an advocate and believes the council should have followed a different legal process before seeking to remove her from the role. Mkhwebane also pointed to what she considers evidence of her competence while serving as public protector, including multiple clean audits and improvements in the institution's performance. She argued that court decisions overturning some of her reports should not automatically be interpreted as proof of professional incompetence. The former public protector believes her legal troubles began after high-profile investigations involving the CX and Reserve Bank matter, the CR7 campaign funding investigation, and later the Palapala case. She claims those investigations placed her in conflict with powerful interests and insists the latest legal action is part of that broader dispute. The case now moves to the courts, where judges will have to consider both the Legal Practice Council's allegations and Mkhwebane's arguments about fairness and due process. Whatever the outcome, the decision could shape future debates about the relationship between professional regulatory bodies and officials who have served in independent constitutional institutions. The case is also likely to draw significant public attention because it touches on accountability, institutional independence, and confidence in South Africa's legal system. How the court balances those competing interests may influence public trust well beyond this individual dispute. What do you think? Is this a legitimate professional accountability process, or does Mkhwebane have a valid argument that she is being unfairly targeted? Share your perspective in the comments, and if you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more South African political news and analysis.